Hi everybody, I'm Matt with Royal Pools and G2 Outdoor Design.
And I'm Nate, and we're going to show you how to properly pour a concrete garage floor.
And please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date and all the new videos we're posting. Okay, so today we're going to discuss the proper ways to pour a garage floor. And in this particular garage, it's pretty intricate. So we started out by digging these footings because the actual footing for this garage and the inside floor, it's all sitting on helicoils, and the helicoil gets drilled into the ground 80 to 100 feet, and it protects this building from sinking over time. So we had to dig out for these helicoils, and we had to dig about 14 to 16 inches deep to find the tops of them, 12 inches wide, and we had to do 4 of them, and they're all about 11 feet apart down the way of the garage. So the garage is a 55 by 27, I believe. But anyways, so first comes that, dig those out, get that down to the helicoils, and then we get the grate on. We grade it all right at 6 inches. It's 6 inches thick. And then after we get that graded and all the footings dug, we end up putting visqueen down, 6 mil visqueen, and what that is a vapor barrier, so it protects the floor from sweating in the future. After that, we put slab bolsters, which are these chairs that rebar sit on, and then we set rebar 3 foot by 3 foot on center, 5/8 inch rebar. This garage floor should not go anywhere.
So the next step is to get the grade pins for the heights of all the drains. Do a chalk line around the outside of the foundation to get our heights established for where the concrete's going to go up to. And then we'll put the grade pins in to pitch to the drains. And then we got to set these forms on the outside to height as well. And then we're ready for concrete. So now we're ready to place our concrete, and we want to start at the furthest point and work our way out. During the pour, we'll establish wet screeds that we'll get with 10-foot strike-offs, and we'll work our way out from there, raking it, and then after we get all of it down, we bull float it to make it nice and flat, and then we put an edge down on the outside forms, and then we're ready to start hard troweling.
Okay, so a couple more important things I want to go over is the drains that are in this garage. So they have 2 drains in each garage door opening, which they want to have a car over each drain. So the pitches are very important when you do that. If you don't get it right, you got bird baths, water sitting everywhere. So that's why we set the grade pins that Nate talked about, and it gives us the right pitch, and we strike off to the drains and hope everything's good. But another important thing on a garage is getting the garage floor where the garage door sits level and perfect for that garage door to shut. So we take our time, use a 16-foot strike off, make sure that thing is flat, and then at the very end of that, you want to pitch out towards the actual apron of the garage. So you're usually about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch pitch out from the garage floor where the garage door actually sits. So the last thing we do after we get all that prep to grade stakes to striking off to bull floating, after that's all said and done, then we got to go out there on knee boards or sliders, and we have to hit it with a trowel. And normally we do that 2, maybe 3 times, depending on how fast the garage floor is setting up. And that's what we're working on right now. So thank you guys, and hope to see you on the next one.